Coffee is one of the most popular drinks in the world.
People drink coffee in the morning, in the afternoon, and sometimes at night. But why do people like coffee so much? First, coffee gives energy. It has caffeine. Caffeine is a natural substance. It helps people feel more awake. Many people drink coffee in the morning because they feel tired. After coffee, they feel better and ready to work. Second, coffee is a habit. Some people drink coffee every day. It is part of their routine. They drink coffee before work or during a break. Some people drink it after lunch. It is a small moment to relax. Coffee is also social. Friends meet and drink coffee together. In many countries, people sit in cafes and talk. It is a good way to spend time. In some offices, people talk while drinking coffee. It helps communication. There are many types of coffee. Some people like black coffee. It is strong and has no milk or sugar. Others like coffee with milk, cream, or sugar. There is also iced coffee. It is cold and good on hot days. Some people drink sweet coffee like cappuccino or latte. Coffee comes from coffee beans. The beans grow on coffee plants. These plants grow in warm countries like Brazil, Colombia, Ethiopia, and Vietnam. Farmers pick the beans and dry them. Then the beans go to factories. There they are roasted and packed. After that, people buy them in shops. Coffee is not new. People started drinking coffee many years ago. Some people say coffee started in Ethiopia. Others say it came from Yemen. In the 1600s, coffee became popular in Europe. Today, people all over the world drink coffee every day. Is coffee good for health? In small amounts, yes. Coffee can help the brain and make people feel happy, but too much coffee is not good. It can cause problems like poor sleep or fast heartbeat. Doctors say it is okay to drink 1 or 2 cups a day. Some people do not like coffee. They drink tea or juice. Others cannot drink coffee because of health reasons. That is okay. Every person is different. In conclusion, coffee is more than a drink. It gives energy, helps people relax, and is part of daily life. That is why many people love it.